Hi, in this video we're going to fix this parking lot fender bender on this '06 Impala. This is what it looks like without the red tape we had on before repair. So now we need to turn out these three hand nuts, plastic nuts. This first one's doing double duty. It's holding that trunk liner as well as the taillight assembly itself. With that one off, we can now move this trunk liner out of the way and expose the other two fasteners to turn off. This light was kind of stuck in there still, so we gave it a couple of gentle taps with a rubber mallet. We're going to replace this assembly, so we're going to unplug it and get it out of there. Now, I've got this wooden wedge that I'm going to try to drive in there, and well, let me get closer and show you what we have. There's a gap in there. We can drive that wedge in and hopefully push the dent out. Well, nothing was really happening there, so I got the scheme to heat this material up, this cover material up, with a heat gun. Got it on the high setting. Keep it moving so you don't melt anything here. It is plastic. And then we'll see if that'll help. So bear with me. I'm not going to speed this up. I want to give you an idea in real time of how long I applied this heat to the cover. I noticed a couple cars with dents similar to this in a parking lot recently. So maybe this can give someone some ideas on how you might pop this out. Okay, let's try this again. Pushing it down in there a little bit further. Still not coming out, so let's apply some more heat. Yeah, this is more stubborn than I thought. I thought this might pop right out. Okay, I'm going to get my hand in there. There is some room, and try to push it out that way. I didn't show it, but I did try this with my hand first, and it didn't have any effect when it was cold. I couldn't get this out here, but... And you could get a hold of some paint if you really want to spruce it up, but we're going to leave it like this for now. I found this at a local scrapyard from the 2010 Impala. It's in like new shape for $35. Some credit goes to GM engineers here for making this easy to access and easy to remove and put back in. Thanks for watching, and I would appreciate it if you would subscribe.